So I recently found something in Adobe Premiere that I find super helpful and I wanted to share it. Oftentimes I zoom in on parts of my video and then I have to zoom back out. But this is kind of relevant to any of these things that you can keyframe here. I've already made keyframes in my position and scale parameters. So they have this little button here to make more keyframes. But if you don't have that, go like this and you'll suddenly get that keyframe thing. But that's not what I wanted to show you. I just wanted to add that. Right now I'm going to keyframe my whole position and scale on this video. And I want to zoom in, so I'm moving forward a little, to get a better view of what I'm doing in my viewport. So I'm just going to increase my scale and then move my position and my position here, and I'm going to move it even more centered. So this is something I would do often. And in order to get back to my original state, I'd have to copy these keyframes. And then when I move forward a little, I may put new keyframes down so things stay still. And then I put keyframes, those original keyframes. Well, I don't have to copy and paste these original keyframes because there's a little option here called reset parameter. So if I click reset parameter, it goes back to its original state. And that is true for any of these options that you have. So if you've made a change and you want to get things back to normal, you don't have to copy and paste keyframes. You can just take a little shortcut and reset that parameter. And I do this all the time, so I find it really helpful. I hope you guys find it helpful as well. And if you want to join me for more videos in Premiere, I've got a whole playlist. Thanks for watching.